Welcome back to the part 2 of The Ultimate Gaming Guide. In this video, we will teach you how to master gaming controls and techniques so that you can use them effectively in different types of games. Let's get started. Essential gaming controls. There are several essential gaming controls that every gamer needs to know. The left joystick is used for movement, and the right joystick is used for aiming and camera control. The buttons on the front of the controller are used for actions like jumping, shooting, and reloading. The triggers on the back of the controller are used for actions like firing weapons and accelerating in racing games. Using gaming controls effectively. Knowing how to use gaming controls effectively can make all the difference in your gaming performance. In action games, for example, you need to be able to move quickly and aim accurately to take down enemies. In sports games, you need to be able to perform precise movements and timing to make plays and score points. By practicing your gaming controls and learning how to use them effectively in different types of games, you can improve your gaming performance significantly. Common gaming techniques. In addition to mastering gaming controls, there are several common gaming techniques that can help you improve your gameplay. These include strafing. This technique involves moving side to side while aiming at an enemy to avoid their attacks. Jumping. Jumping can be used to dodge attacks, reach higher platforms, or gain an advantage in combat. Rolling. Rolling is similar to jumping but is often used to dodge attacks while staying low to the ground. Quick scoping. This technique involves quickly aiming down the sight of your weapon and firing a shot, often used in first-person shooter games. Combo moves. Combo moves involve combining different button presses in a sequence to execute powerful attacks or special moves. By practicing and mastering these techniques, you can take your gameplay to the next level. Putting it all together. Now that you know the essential gaming controls and techniques, it's time to put them all together. By applying what you've learned in different types of games, you can improve your gaming performance and enjoy a more immersive gaming experience. That's it for mastering gaming controls and techniques. We hope that you now have a better understanding of the essential gaming controls and techniques and how to use them effectively in different types of games. In the next video, we'll talk about how to choose the right game for you. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.